Lutron Caséta Smart Shades Review, the best DIY smart shades for your home. The first time I came across smart shades years ago, I thought, wow, these would be amazing in my home. The only problem? The price was sky high and installation required a professional, making them more of a luxury than a practical upgrade. What are Lutron Caséta Smart Shades? Designed for modern living, these shades bring effortless control over natural light, allowing you to automate schedules for waking up to the sunrise or ensuring privacy at night. Experience the convenience of Lutron Caséta Smart Shades, offering versatile control options, including a Pico remote, voice commands, and the Lutron app. These shades work with Alexa and Google Home, offering easy installation and customization. The Lutron Smart Hub is required for full smart home integration. Follow the app guide to pair and test your shades. Prices start at $399, with extra costs for the Smart Hub, available on Lutron's site and other retailers like Amazon. Prepare the shades with the Lutron app for easier setup. They integrate with major smart home systems for control via smart speakers, displays, or smartwatches. While the Pico remote is useful, the Lutron app offers superior setup and management with advanced features. Lutron Caséta Smart Shades are the most connected smart shading system available, offering unmatched automation, ease of use, and seamless integration with major smart home platforms. They provide a premium smart home experience, making your home smarter, more comfortable, and beautifully lit. For anyone looking for high-quality smart shades that are affordable, easy to install, and integrate seamlessly into a smart home, Lutron Caséta Smart Shades are an outstanding choice.
Go to GearBrain for more information.